in the process of redoing my closet because, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff. I gave away so many clothes because all of this was full of clothes, like literally stacked up to the ceiling. And I gave away a bunch of clothes to Goodwill, and I threw what had holes in it away. But as you can see, I'm still ordering stuff. And I actually have to do a get ready with me. Not a get ready with me, but like show you guys the outfits that I bought from these places. And I went and bought hangers because some of the hangers I had were really, really bad. I actually had all this filled with clothes. These, as you can see, still full. And there's junk down here. I'm just going to redo my whole closet. I put these here for just effects, for my closet to have more light. But they really came in handy when my power went out one day. And as you can see, it's still pretty bright in my closet with those lights. I actually got them from Five Below. And I want to say, did only 3 come in a pack? I don't know. I don't remember. But yeah, so this is my project. I'm redoing my apartment. I started with my bathroom, in my bedroom, in my sunroom. I'm just redoing everything. But first, I just did laundry, so I need to kind of clean this up and hang up what I need to hang up. See, I just got this in the mail the other day, and I just tried it on, and I didn't hang it up. I just threw it. I tend to do that a lot until I get overwhelmed and need to come in here and clean my closet. So that's what I'm about to do. And we're going to see how this works out. See if I have to give more stuff away, including my purses up there. That's my cleaning towel. I like clean up with that, and I just washed it. But I gave away a lot of clothes. Didn't give away too many of my purses, and I might need to go ahead and do that. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the finished product right now. I have a lot more clothes to hang up, but at least I can walk inside. And my camera actually died while I was doing my purses. I'm going to show you the pile in just a second. But that mess is cleared up and organized. As you can see, the packages that were on the floor actually up there organized and everything. I put most of them in like one thingy, and some of the stuff from here is on hangers now. And yeah, that's it. I organized my little perfume section, folded some clothes. The clutter from down there is gone. Drawers closed, and everything is neatly inside. See, I'm so proud of myself. You guys missed it because it took me so long to do this. Like, and this is the pile of, I had a wig. I'm going to throw this away. This is the one I'm throwing away? I don't know. But these are a bunch of purses that I'm getting rid of. But yep, I'm just going to vacuum. And that's that. It looks so much better in here. Oh my gosh. Proud. Let me turn these off because I do need those for when the power goes out again. But yeah. And I have a serious shoe problem, so when I organize my other closet, I will let you guys see that. As a matter of fact, let's cut to it. So this is the cut to my other closet. This one has doors. Do not pick at me. Shoes. A little sweater that I wear in fall when I just run to the grocery store. I gave away so many coats. This is actually my dad's shirt. I keep it because he passed away. think I got this from my mom. I don't know. I thought I could like bring it back to life. Winter clothes. This is so embarrassing, but I'm gonna show y'all because this is a fluffy house coat that my grandma gave me. I wear it during the winter time. More shoes. See, I have like close to 200 pairs of shoes. Those are my favorite. Boots right there. More winter clothes. In Atlanta, it might be cold one day, might not be cold the next day. But yes, I have to go through all this stuff, see what I'm gonna give away. And yeah, I will record when I fix this closet. This is so embarrassing. But yeah, let me push this back up in here. Like I said, I'm redoing my whole apartment. So that's that. So now that you've seen me clean one closet, show you the disaster that the other closet was, I have to get all these purses together, what I'm throwing away, what I'm giving away. Then I have to vacuum the floor, and that'll be done. Then that'll be that. I'll be done for the day as far as my projects and videos go. So that is it. I have to bag this stuff up, get it up out of here, and relax for the rest of the day. Until next time, bye, darlings. Oh, y'all even found some cute earrings that I refuse to wear because they were fake, but they were cute. I think I was gonna wear them with an outfit. Never wore them. Never. Now I have to throw those away too. But let me get this stuff bagged up. Throw these wigs away. And I'll see you guys in my next cleanup video, reorganizing video, fashion haul video, which is coming really, really soon. Probably like, I'm probably gonna shoot that on Saturday. Today is Monday. It's Labor Day. And I have to do that this weekend because all that stuff I showed you guys in the closet and still in packages, yeah, I need to put that stuff up. And I'll take care of the rest. But yeah. Bye. Until next time, it's been real.